Hello and welcome to Online Qs, the YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Twitter account. So on your web browser, go to twitter.com, and when Twitter loads like this, make sure you log in using your phone number, email or username, and type in your password and click on login. And then when you get logged in, you'll be directed to your home feed of your Twitter account. Now the home feed features the news feed and the latest tweets from the accounts that you're following, like you can see over here. And you can see how many tweets you've made, how many you're following, and how many followers you have. So to begin your deletion process of your Twitter account, click on this profile picture that you have situated between the Twitter search navigation bar and the blue tweet button on the top right corner of your screen. So click on it, and then a drop down menu like this will load. So what you need to do is hover over settings and privacy and click on it, and then the settings page for your Twitter account will look like this. Basically what you do is scroll down below. So over here it is deactivate your account. Now it is true that it's not looking like you might be able to delete your account, but that's not true. The thing is, the procedure for deleting your Twitter account takes about 30 days. So first you have to deactivate your account, and then you have to wait 30 days for your account to be fully and permanently deleted from all of Twitter's database. Now, during that 30 days, make sure you do not log into your Twitter account. So click on this deactivate your account link on the bottom. And then the next step for confirmation of deactivation page will load like this. So this is the information that you can get while deactivating your button. First, here says the thing that I said previously on this video, that you can activate your account again once you have done this deactivation process. You have to make sure that you do it within 30 days, or you might have regrets about deleting your account, so you can use it. So some account information like your Twitter login, Twitter details might be still indexed in search engines like Google and Bing. Now, if your main aim was to change your username, you do not have to deactivate your account. Basically, you can do it by editing in the settings. Now, if you want to use your current username or email address during this deletion process, change them before you deactivate your account, because the new account might not be able to use this account details during the deletion process. And then if there's some valuable Twitter data that you have on this account, basically you can download your Twitter data by clicking on the links that you have on this account, and then it will give you a download link to download your Twitter data. So you to delete your account, click on this deactivate button, and then you'll be asked to enter your password. The reason that I use the password manager so much is because I do not know how to remember my passwords. So you can use that as well. The password manager of Google is quite good as well, or you can use a third-party app like LastPass Manager. So once my password is entered, I'm gonna click on deactivate account, and then Twitter will tell you your account is now deactivated. Sorry to see you go and goodbye. So basically, you would have to wait a total of 30 days for your account to be permanently deleted. Do not sign in within 30 days if you really want to delete your account. If you think that you wanna use the account again and that you made a mistake by deactivating it, you can sign in within 30 days. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos.